Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the back cover on a Dell Latitude 5288. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws to loosen and then pry apart bottom base. Next, unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unsnap LCD bezel, working your way around the edges of the screen. Then unscrew and remove hinge covers. Now unscrew and remove display hinges. Then disconnect and remove web camera. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Now remove display cable. The remaining piece is the back cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.